with Alex, I saw his ad on Facebook, and I liked Alex, and I liked what they portrayed, what he portrayed. I want to gain, and I hope to gain, and I am gaining the knowledge to be able to find, list and follow through a product on Amazon, and I'm nearly there with my first one. So I'm well on the way, but heaps to learn still. From this conference, it's been a lot more detail, so I've got sort of fine-tuned things that I did know, but he's gone into it in more detail, so I've got a bit more confidence. Yes, I would. I would maybe recommend going platinum, but I'm very happy. Yeah, I would definitely recommend him.